Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today let's see how to make Iddiappam recipe. Take about 2 cups of hot water. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of rice flour. After mixing it well, add the water, add about 1 cup of water in it. And stir it with a spoon. The dough has become very soft at this point. Just knead it with your hand. Now take an iddiappam maker or a chutney maker. This is easily available in the market. So we will have these shapes. I'm going to use this shape which has dots in it actually. So now I'm just going to add this shape in this. On the banana leaf, add some freshly grated coconut. On the top, just add the iddiappam. If you do not have a banana leaf, you can also use a bowl. Just add some freshly grated coconut inside and then just have to add in the iddiappam batter. Now let us go ahead and steam these iddiappams. To place, this is how I boil. Place the net and place these iddiappams for steaming. Close it and steam it in a very slow flame for about 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes. Wow, the rice flour smells delicious. Sprinkle some freshly grated coconut on the top. There you go. Delicious iddiappam is now ready to be served. Place these bowls, use it and steam. You can also use idli maker for this. This can be served with sambar, stew or chutney as well. I hope you like this video as much as I enjoy making it. Please do like this video. This is a new format I have tried. All of your suggestions and feedbacks are most welcome. You can just post it in the comment box and I'll reply to your queries as well. Thank you so much for watching Veena'sKitchen.com. Have a lovely day. Bye.